Chrysler Big Block powered Brat.
Jay, right?
Yes, sir. This thing's a little monster, man.
I hope so. When it gets running, I hope it is. It's probably not going to be a very competitive vehicle, but it should break a few necks going to the car show.
I would say.
That's the goal. Yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
That is cool.
Yeah, I just want to mock it up so we can see what it is I'm building, because I can't draw for shit. So I'm not Chip Booth. I can't show you what it's going to look like done.
That is so cool.
Yeah, I like it. I was going to make a fire pit out of it, and then this idea popped into my head, and I just ran with it. It's turned into this.
Well, I'm happy you did. This is going to be wicked.
It's going to be way cooler than that Destin I was building. I'm still going to build that, just going to do it a little different.
Uh-huh.
Especially since half the parts are on this car now.
That is so cool.
I should take that tarp out of there. There's more trash in there too.
Ah.
That'll be cool ants. That's where the ants came from. They got in it while it was on the ground. I pulled it out yesterday and there's an ant colony in the back of this thing.
Oh, really?
Well, there was like 5 of them in it when I pulled it out of my yard.
Oh, it's going to be a 4-speed too?
What's that again?
That's going to be a 4-speed too?
Yeah. That's the overdrive, the aluminum one.
Dude.
Yeah, that way I can drive it. I'd love to get to this point where you can actually do like a drive and drag or something with it.
Oh, God,
I don't
yeah.
expect it to be competitive because it's not going to be ideally set up or anything, but if I can keep it cool and it'll cruise, I'll be happy.
Heck yeah. That is so gnarly.
Yeah, it's neat. I like it. So yeah, this will be fun. Get to do a lot of stuff I'm not good at, so that'll give me some practice. Some of my welding and stuff needs to improve greatly.
I know the feeling.
Yeah. I don't know why welding it just stunts me sometimes, but it really does.
Well, welding, like the garbage I did with my dart, that was the first time attempting it. And I was attempting the wheel, or rebuilding the wheelhouse, because I didn't want to replace the whole thing. I didn't want to replace the whole quarter. So I just did it piece by piece.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then duplicated the factory lines. And I've never done it before.
Worked out.
Learned a lot. And But
you see that episode of Uncle Tony's where he was actually just laying down welds and then grinding it to look like a... It's like, oh my God.
Mm-hmm.